When one sees a question like this, it is easy to say, the answer is 1, which is wrong. So when solving a question like this, you have to be careful, especially when you are changing the division to multiplication. So let's rewrite this as 36 over 24, then divided by 24 over 36. If you make a mistake and say divided by 36 over 24, then you will just cancel this out. Cancel 36 and 36, 24 and 24, and then you will get 1, which is wrong. So here now we have to say 36 over 24, then times 36 over 24, so that now we can simplify them all. Here 12 will go in 36 3 times, and 12 will go in 24 2 times. So we have 3 over 2 times 3 over 2, which will give 9 over 4. Then how many times will 4 go in 9? That's 2 times. So we have 2 whole number 1 over 4 as the answer. So when solving a question like this, be careful with the sign, and when you get here, don't just cancel and say your answer is 1. If you have any tricky question that is confusing you, leave it in the click on the link in the description and leave the question, and I will bring the solution your way.